Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of shopping on AliExpress, you know the thrill of placing an order, but waiting for it to arrive can be nerve-wracking. Today, in this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through how to easily track your AliExpress orders so you can stay updated every step of the way. Whether it's your first time or you're a pro shopper, this will save you time and hassle. First off, make sure you're logged into your AliExpress account. Open the website or app and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're in, head to the My AliExpress section, then click on My Orders. This is where all your past and current purchases are listed. Next, find the specific order you want to track. Scroll through the list or use the search function if you have the order number handy. Click on the order to open its details page. Here, you'll see key information like the shipping method and status. Now, look for the tracking number. It's usually highlighted or linked right there. Click on it, and AliExpress will redirect you to a tracking page, often powered by their partnered carriers like China Post, DHL, or UPS. This page shows real-time updates on your package's location, from the warehouse to your doorstep. If the built-in tracker isn't working smoothly, don't worry. You can copy the tracking number and paste it into a third-party tool like 17track.net or the carrier's official website. These sites provide more detailed maps and timelines, which is super helpful for international shipments. A quick tip: orders can take longer due to customs or holidays, so check back regularly. If your package is delayed, AliExpress has a dispute system. Use it if needed to get assistance. And there you have it. Tracking your AliExpress orders in 2025 is straightforward and keeps you in the loop. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more shopping tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking. See you in the next one.